Claude Code is the best in class on the planet right now, but Claude subscriptions are so expensive, and that is why in this video I am going to show you how you can use it Claude Code for completely free in next few minutes. Today we are running it for free officially, no sketchy proxies on whatever laptop you already own. Just follow all steps which I am going to show you in this video and don't skip any step, otherwise it will not work. With this method, it gives you the Claude Code itself, the actual agent, the file editing, the terminal control, the MCP tools, all of it running all models that cost you nothing per token for a huge amount of real work that is genuinely enough. By the end of this video, I will show you tricks, tips, and where it's not working properly and what's the solution, so you will not find the hard way. So stay till the end. Here is what most people are confused about. If you understand this concept, then you can debug this setup free forever. So you are paying, let's say, $200 or $100 or $20 for Pro plan, right? So the agent doesn't cost money. What does it mean? So Claude Code doesn't cost you any money. Claude Code is free to install, but the actual money you are paying for the model, the engine, the Opus, Sonnet, Haiku, this is the part with the price tag. Think of it like a car. Claude Code is the whole car. The chassis, the steering, the dashboard, the transmission. It's the thing that knows how to run your code base, how to edit your files across the project, how to run terminal commands, how to use MCP tools, how to follow Claude.md, literally everything. Anthropic put an enormous amount of engineering into that harness, and to be honest, that's the best one that exists. The model Opus, Sonnet, Haiku is the engine in our case, and there is one officially documented setting that nobody is telling you that you can swap the engine in this case. So what we are going to do today is we are going to swap the engine, which costs us nothing. The car remains the same, and that's how we are using Claude Code for completely free. The engine comes from OpenRouter, and I want to be clear about OpenRouter because currently in the market there are a lot of shady lookalikes available, so be aware of that. But OpenRouter is well established legitimate API gateway. Think of it like a universal adapter for AI models, and many models are genuinely free. No input token cost, no output token cost, and it's not trial, that's not fake credits, it's genuinely free. Currently there are a lot of free models available from the famous companies like DeepSeek, Queen Coder, Llama, Gamma, Nvidia, and I will show you everything in this video. And these are not toys, these are genuine real models. On internet you will see a lot of people claim that these free models are exactly same like Opus, but they are not. I'll be very honest with you. On the benchmark level they looks really similar on the chart, but they are not exactly same, and the reason is very specific. Before I show you the exact steps, here is the honest line. These free models are capable to do many of the tasks which paid model does, but there are few limitations which I would like to highlight here. So here is my actual line. For scripts, for single files, boilerplates, prototypes, learning and experimenting, or literally say explain this code base to me, for all these tasks, these free models are the great. You will not miss the paid plans. But for refactors of 20 files, long tool call chains, anything shipping today means whatever you need instantly, they will break it there. When debugging costs hours, literally at that time you required paid plans. You cannot do with the free plans. So both are true. Anyone telling you only one is selling something. So use it for the best based on your own use cases. As I mentioned, for 70 to 90% of day-to-day tasks, you can use the free models, and for the rest of the work, you can switch it to paid plan. Now the fun part, guys, the setup. Okay, in the first instinct, it looks daunting and difficult, but stay with me. I will explain in very easy to understand language. So pause the video, do the steps with me, and by the end of this video your Claude Code will be ready to use it for free. First, I open the official Claude Code documentation. Don't worry, I will paste all the links which might be useful for you in the description tab, so you simply click it and open it from there, right? First I open this, and here you can find this macOS link and the Windows link. I have Apple MacBook, so I will copy this link, then I will open the terminal. You can open the terminal from literally any IDEs, cursor, anti-gravity, VS Code. I copy the command and I open the terminal in anti-gravity IDE, and I will paste it here and then just hit execute. Installation is completed within few seconds. And why we are using anti-gravity and why I personally like it, because it has this agent, and I will show in this video why this agent is very important. You guys literally use VS Code as well, but this anti-gravity agent is directly connected with your Gemini, and that's why it's so simple to use. Okay, what it is telling is that native installation exists, but local bin is not in your path. So it's just simply telling us to run this. So I copied this, and now I will just run this. Okay, after running that previous command, I close the terminal and I open that again. Now I will try it again. Perfect. It's working. Welcome to Claude Code, and it's asking for to select the theme. I will select the dark theme, and now it's very important. It's asking us to select login method, and there are three options. The first is Claude account with subscription. That's your paid plan, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. The second one is Anthropic console account, API usage billing, where basically you are pasting your Claude API and it will charge you based on your usage. And the third one is third party platform. In the first step, I will log in with my paid plan, which I have it Pro plan. So I would like to show you how we can switch it from Pro plan to free plan. So now simply I will log in with my Anthropic account, and then I will show you it's currently using Opus or any other model, and then we'll switch it to free model. All right, now Claude Code is installed and ready to use. Here, as you can see, it's Sonnet 5 with high effort, which I used previously just few minutes ago in my Claude paid plan, and that's why it's showing it here. But you can change it at any cost. And here you can try it out. Let's say, how are you? Alright, she is telling that she is doing well. Thanks for asking. Ready to help with whatever you are working on, code, video creation, or anything else. But today we are not going to take help from our paid friend, right? We are taking help from our free models. If you don't have account on OpenRouter, I will paste the link in the description tab. Simply create your account with any email, and then when you have account, click on the models. And here you can find all the models which is available in the OpenRouter. It's plenty of that. But as you can see, there are some free models, paid models. Yeah. So simply we want free models. So we will write free on the top. And now we'll have all free models in the list. You can find free models from NVIDIA, Poolside, yeah, Inclusion AI, Google Gamma, OpenAI. Yeah, there are a lot of free models. But today, let's try with Google Gamma. So I will just write here Google. Right, and here we have two model, Google Gamma 4 26B and Gamma 4 31B. We will open this 31B, and here you can see the price is free. Context window is 262K, and here you can find everything, latency, E2E latency, and all information. Now before you do anything with this model, you need to open this official document from OpenRouter to install into Claude Code. So generally what you do, you read all this documentation and install this step by step, right? We are not going to do this. Simply we copy this link and then go to anti-gravity and paste it here into anti-gravity and paste this prompt like, hey, I want to use Claude Code with OpenRouter with one of the models through OpenRouter. Today I want to use specifically need to use following model with the name which I mentioned below. Check this out. Now we will go to this Gamma 4 and we need to copy this official name and then paste it out here. Now we have everything, and that's why I mentioned in the beginning of this video that we need this agent, otherwise we need to do all these steps manually. That's why I use anti-gravity, because it has this native agent and you can connect your Google account and you can use basically Gemini, and here you can select any model. Currently I'm selecting just Sonnet 4.5. and now one last thing which we need for this setup, API key. So you need to go to OpenRouter, open it in the new tab, right? Click on the get API key, then we can click on new key, Claude demo, and then simply click on create. Okay, now we have this new API key. Don't worry, when this video will be uploaded, I will delete this API key, so that's why it's visible. So I will copy this API key and then I will paste it here, use this API key, and then just execute. Hey guys, if you are learning something new today and enjoying my content, then hit the like, hit the subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you'll never miss my videos in the future. Let's get back to the video. And now it's doing everything for us, right? And we don't need to do anything. If you don't have this kind of agent, then you need to do manually all steps, which is very daunting. And I like this simply prompting way. So I'll tell everything what I need to do and it will install it for us. Right, it's super easy. And as you can see, setup completed, what was configured and everything, it's just mentioned here. Yeah, now the setup was successful, so I close the terminal and open the terminal again, and now I will write Claude and it's saying, yeah, we'll trust the folder. And now it's, as you can see, we have Gamma 4 31B API usage billing. Now instead of using paid plan, we are using free plans, and it's simply we can try it here. How are you? And can you help me with task? Yeah, so now we are not using paid plan, guys. And for this simple tasks like creating websites or creating simple tasks, writing emails, and all like 70 to 90% tasks, we can use this free plan. All right, we got the error that hook timed out after 30 seconds, output discarded, raise the hooks timeout to allow more time, not logged in, please run login. This is very common error, guys, and thank God it popped up, otherwise I would not provide you solution and also could not explain the root cause. So what is the root cause? First of all, currently in the world many people are using this Gamma 4, and that's why there are a lot of traffic, and that's why it's providing this timed out error. But there is one solution. So I tried to ask that, okay, I got this error, what I need to do. So it is basically suggesting switch to the another model of Gamma, but that's not a smart solution, right? The solution is correct that we need to switch to the other model, but we cannot manually every time switching to the other model when there is a traffic. We don't know, right? And that is why I will show you the smart way to solve this error permanently. So the solution is that whenever this kind of error popped up, this will automatically switch to the next model available in the free models market. I will show you how you can do it. So I opened OpenRouter again, and then I go down, and here I will select this free models router. That is basically the simplest way to get the free interface, right? And here, as you can see, top model used by free models router. Yeah, here you can find the multiple models. So now I will go back to anti-gravity, then I will paste this prompt. Hey, I want you to use this model so Claude Code can switch to the another free available model when the selected one is not able to accommodate that request. Then I will select this and then paste it here. Okay, so after this installation, this error will never pop up, because whenever the one model has huge traffic, it will switch to the another available model. As you can see, now let me update all configuration to use OpenRouter Auto. It automatically picks the best available free model and switches which one is rate limited. Yeah, that's amazing. All right, it's installed and it's saying next step is restart the Claude Code, close the running Claude session and open the new terminal. Open the new terminal. Yeah. Okay, and then I'll write Claude. Now as you can see, it's OpenRouter Auto with high efficiency, API usage billing, and there you have it. You nailed it, guys, and now you know how you can use Claude Code for free and use it both. Right, so go free when learning and experimenting, small self-content task, prototype and scratch work, budget genuinely matters, and pay when shipping production code, multi-file reflectors, long agentic sessions. Your time is greater than the subscription, right? So use it based on your own use case, based on your own parameters, based on your own conditions, right? And tell me in the comment section which one you are using currently and how is your experience with this free model. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Then I want you to hit the like, hit the subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will never miss my videos in the future. I will see you in the next